Hey everyone, I'm at Makudo Nanudo, which is McDonald's in Japan, and they are awesome. I'm going to show you a couple cool things inside that you'll just love. So when you walk inside, it's just a beautiful environment. It's really wonderful, and I go there because I get a coffee for $1. It's so reasonable. A latte for $2. Very cool. Great visual controls in the trash can and light touch, so it's really easy to throw things out. A place to throw out your excess drink at the top. They think of everything. And then when you go over to the bathrooms, great visual controls, easy to find, beautiful bathrooms. They're nicer than a hotel. You walk into the men's bathroom, there's soap, sanitizers, there's a place to put your baby. Didn't traditionally do this, but now they have a place for the baby, bidet toilet seats, washlets, sanitizers, sanitize your hands, the toilet seats. You walk in, you can actually wash your hands without even walking in the bathroom. They have a special sink, and then they have great visual controls on the menu, very appealing. Makudo Nanudo at McDonald's. Great processes and a great place to hang out for coffee.